Hello dear phasmatic friends. Today absolute value equations, but an absolute value inside of another absolute value. Follow me please. First of all, we identify that we have an equation with absolute value. So we are going to isolate one absolute value on the left side and the other things on the right side. Okay, that's it. After that, remember, there are two possibilities. First possibility, the expression inside the absolute value will be equal to the right side in positive. But also the expression that is inside the absolute value, but equal to the right side with a negative sign. Now, one more time, I have one equation with an absolute value. So I am going to isolate one absolute value on one side and the rest on the other side. So it is better to pass the 2 to the left side and the negative absolute value to the right side with a positive sign. 2 minus 2 is 0. And now it is better to write absolute value of x plus 1 is equal to 0. And here I have one more time two possibilities. I will write A, B, I will write C and D. The expression inside the absolute value will be equal to this part in positive. But I have a 0. A 0, positive or negative, it is the same. So I will not need this part. I solve it and the answer will be x is equal to negative 1. Remember, we have always to verify the answers when we are solving absolute value equations. After that, I will do that. And now, here, one more time, another absolute value equation. I must isolate this absolute value on the right side and the rest on the left side. 2 plus 2, 4 is equal to the absolute value of x plus 1. And now it is very convenient to write the absolute value of x plus 1 is equal to 4. It is the same to write 4 equals to this part and this part equals to 4. Now two possibilities, A, B, C, D, E. The expression inside the absolute value will be equal to the right side in positive, and the expression inside the absolute value will be equal to negative and the expression that is on the right side. I will solve it. X will be equal to 4 minus 1. X will be equal to 3. And here, x will be equal to negative 4 minus 1. X will be equal to negative 5. And that's it. I must verify. If I replace the x with the negative 1 plus 1 is 0, 2 minus 0 is 2, absolute value of 2 is 2. Correct. If I replace the x with 3, 3 plus 1, 4, absolute value of 4 is 4. 2 minus 4 is negative 2, the absolute value of negative 2 is 2. Correct. And finally, negative 5 plus 1, negative 4, the absolute value of 4 is 4. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. The absolute value of negative 2 is 2. Okay, we have 3 answers for this equation. Thank you very much, dear phasmatic friends. See you next time.